Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. The difference between GitHub Copilot agent and Casa is now more about a choice of workflow and pricing model than a simple feature comparison. While Casa once had a clear lead, Copilot has rapidly caught up, making the distinction a matter of user preference and cost tolerance. Let's start with the agentic gap. The agentic gap has closed. Casa was the first to popularize the idea of an AI agent that could understand a full code base and perform complex multi-file edits. This was its key advantage over the traditional single-file focused Copilot. However, the introduction of GitHub's Copilot's own agent mode in VS Code has largely eliminated this gap. Both tools can now handle high-level tasks such as add user authentication to the project or refactor this component by analyzing your entire workspace and proposing a series of changes. Now, let's start with a difference in performance between the two. Despite the feature parity, there is still noticeable performance difference. User reports indicate that Casa is often faster at applying these agent-based edits. It can perform complex refactorings and code generations in a blink, which can be a significant productivity booster for developers working on large code bases. Copilot's agent, while powerful, can sometimes feel slower as it generates and applies changes, leading to a break in the coding flow. This speed difference is a key reason why some developers, particularly power users, still prefer Casa. Let's also get to the pricing model divide, the difference between pricing. This is the most significant point of differentiation. GitHub Copilot has a simple and predictable pricing model fee. For a flat monthly fee, you get unlimited code completions and a generous allowance of premium requests for its agent features. The cost is predictable and even affordable for most professionals. Casa, on the other hand, operates on a usage-based model. While it has a monthly fee, it's essentially a credit for AI model inference. Once you exceed this credit, you are billed for overage at API prices. This can lead to unpredictable and sometimes surprisingly high bills. A common complaint from heavy users who have hit a complex problem and burned through their monthly allowance in a matter of days. Now, this is my final verdict between the two. GitHub Copilot is the superior value proposition for the vast majority of developers. It offers a feature set on par with Casa for half the price and with a predictable flat rate fee. Its seamless integration into popular IDEs makes it an effortless addition to any developer's toolkit. Casa is for the developer who prioritizes cutting-edge speed and a deeply integrated AI experience above all else. Its AI-first architecture and performance gains justify its higher, less predictable cost for those who can't stand waiting for the AI to catch up. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.